My name is Candice Zee. I work at the law firm Seyfarth Shaw. I've been practicing for 10 years and I've been at Seyfarth for 7 years. I first started doing pro bono work when I joined the firm in 2006. I got really involved with the Alliance for Children's Rights and their adoption program. The adoption program is this great program where we assist families who cannot otherwise afford legal assistance in finalizing adoptions. Typical Adoption Day is this great celebration at the family courthouse in Monterey Park. The courthouse and the department is decorated with balloons and stuffed animals, and it's really a great celebratory event where all the families get together and go before the judges to have their adoptions finalized with the attorneys who are lending their time. The types of children who are being adopted through the Alliance are kids who come from foster families or whose parents are otherwise unable to care for them, whether they're incarcerated or just unfit to be their parent. The people who are adopting through the Alliance for Children's Rights are families who are either foster parents, they have maternal grandparents, aunts, uncles, anybody who really wants to make a difference in the child's life. I've personally handled about 6 or 7 adoptions over the past several years and supervised probably about 10 more. One of my favorite adoptions was the adoption of a little 4-year-old boy who was being adopted by his maternal grandparents. The birth mother was incarcerated for drug use, and it was just a really moving story that the grandparents wanted to finalize it and make him a part of the family. The great thing about our firm is that we've done about over 40 adoptions in the past several years. We've got great staff, particularly my assistant Karla, who has developed this system of bringing in the adoptions, distributing them to attorneys, and helping walk everyone through to finalizing the adoption paperwork and filing them with the court.
My name is Karla Villalobos-Roque. I've been working at Seyfarth Shaw since 1998. I am a legal secretary and I work for Candice Zee. I hate to recreate the wheel, needless to say, so when I kept having to do the same email over and over, I just decided, well, hey, I should make a template. We then send them in individual emails to each of the volunteer pro bono attorneys. And in that email, we have put a enumerated list of steps so that it's easier for them to be able to help these children.
The attorneys love the new intake system that Karla developed because it makes their life easier, it makes the adoption easier, and it makes the whole process less intimidating if another attorney wants to lend a hand.
I was very honored to receive the Staff Member of the Year Pro Bono Award. Of course, I chose Alliance for Children's Rights because they're doing amazing work, and I'm really happy that Seyfarth Shaw is a part of that.
The advice I would have for other attorneys is to not be intimidated if they haven't practiced in family law at all. It's the great thing about the Alliance for Children's Rights is that they really lay it out for you. They're there to walk you through the process step by step, and they tell you how to do it, what to expect, and there's not a moment where you ever feel like you don't have any support or you don't know what you're doing. With a small commitment of time, it is so rewarding and so fulfilling to make a difference in these children's lives.
I'm really motivated by helping Alliance for Children's Rights because I myself, I'm going to get all teary-eyed, sorry, but I myself have really great friends that have adopted 4 children, and to see the difference in their lives and the parents' lives is just amazing. So anything that I can do to help children find a home, a loving home, I'm totally on board for.